'Tis the season for holiday entertaining. Follow these steps to get your table ready for Christmas gatherings. When you're curating your tablescape, choose a few pieces you really love and let them inspire the rest of your look. That's the key to keeping the table cohesive. Let's get started. We use a table runner as the foundation for this design. Then we added a garland that's long enough to cascade over the sides. Now it's all about the centerpiece. Start with a focal point, in this case reindeer, and then add in smaller decor. It's a good idea to include a variety of textures and finishes. The important thing is to make the display symmetrical. And here's the final flourish. Tuck in holiday florals like evergreen branches, berry sprays, and pine cones to make your greenery extra lush and full. When the centerpiece is finished, it's time to set the table. You can arrange a simple yet elegant place setting in just 3 layers. Start with the charger, add a folded napkin, then set the plate on top. And voila! Want to make your guests feel extra special? In lieu of traditional place cards, try personalizing tiny treat boxes. They can double as party favors. And that's all there is to it. Visit Hobby Lobby to find everything you need to create a stunning Christmas tablescape. For more inspiration, subscribe to Hobby Lobby's YouTube channel and click the bell to be notified when we add new videos. We can't wait to help you live a creative life.